2 months ago I was blessed with a beautiful, healthy baby boy, and my wife's parents were nice enough to buy us a Joovy Scooter stroller. It came to us in this box, and by the dimensions I'm thinking that some assembly is required, so I'm going to unbox this contraption and see if I can put it together. I've unpacked the contents of the box, and there is the scooter chassis folded up, the front wheels, rear wheels with ball bearings, rear axle with brake assembly, and it looks like it has some spring suspension built in as well. Bumper has a cup holder for your baby's beer, and some hubcaps, washers, and pins. I will start by unfolding the main chassis of the stroller. Next, I will turn the stroller upside down and install the rear wheels. The rear wheel assembly slides onto these bars and is secured by these pins. Next, I will install the rear wheels. We'll put on a small washer, then the wheel itself, a large washer, a super special spring washer, another large washer, and a pin. To finish things off, I can install a hubcap, and I will repeat the process for the other side. Both of the rear wheels and hubcaps are installed, so now it's time to move on to the front wheels. The front wheels need to be installed with the swivel lock facing up or forward, and the assembly slides on and snaps into place. Now that this runner has its shoes, I'll set it upright. The bumper bar is installed by first removing these plastic caps. There is a pin right here that needs to be depressed while the cap is being removed. And the bumper bar is installed with the rivet head facing upward. And it snaps into place. I'll finish the assembly by installing this cup holder for your beverage of choice. It slides onto these tabs between the handles. Just pushes down into place. And that completes the assembly of the Joovy Scooter. It's now ready for all kinds of adventures. Some features of the Joovy Scooter are a locking rear wheel brake. When you push this down, it locks the wheels. Swivel lock front wheels. Adjustable reclining seat back. Pull the straps and push upward on the seat back to raise it. Push the gray tabs and pull down to recline. The scooter has a two-piece removable canopy with rear window. The lower portion zips off. And the top portion is secured by these plastic brackets that slide up out of the frame housing on each side. And the canopy lifts off. Installation is the reverse of removal. To fold the stroller, first set the rear brake and bring the canopy back. To unlock the stroller for folding, the tabs on the left and right side must be pulled up. On the right side, there's a lock that must be pushed in conjunction with pulling back the tab. There is a latch here to secure the stroller in folded mode. And to unfold, release the latch and pull up, and it locks into place. Thanks for watching.